Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Natalia, and today I'm discussing lifecycle marketing. Thank you all so much for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's jump in. Lifecycle marketing, also referred to as customer lifecycle marketing, is a topic that's so near and dear to my heart as I've spent a lot of time in my career focusing on it. It's so beneficial for improving the customer experience as well as your business's ROI. So, what is lifecycle marketing? Lifecycle marketing is a strategy focused on increasing personalization and guiding customers through each stage in their buyer journey, essentially nurturing or guiding them through each step as they interact with your brand or product. The strategy focuses on moving the customer from awareness to purchase conversion and beyond. It also focuses on win-back strategies for customers who don't purchase or stop interacting with your brand. The goal of lifecycle marketing is to keep the customer engaged, get them to convert, and build loyalty with them. With lifecycle marketing, the customer journey is not usually linear. They actually bounce around with your brand. Most customers do move and interact with your brand in many ways before they buy and buy again, which often makes lifecycle strategy difficult to map out. When you begin outlining your customer journey, focus on the main stages that can really make a difference for them and for your business. Think about the following. Where are the biggest drop-off points for your customers moving through their buyer journey? Why are they dropping off? And what impact will this have on your business if you fix these pain points? Once you've spent some time, you'll find key areas to focus on. Tackle the highest ROI areas first, where customers are experiencing the most friction. Then you can start filling in the gaps in the lifecycle to build out a well-rounded program. With lifecycle marketing, it's really important to know your customer. You need to know what their problems or challenges are, what their mindset is, and what they need from you to nurture them to the next step. You'll need to understand the barriers or friction points customers are experiencing and what you need to provide to them to get them past these pain points. Segmentation is a big part of lifecycle marketing as your customers will move through their buyer journey in many different ways and may have different behaviors and mindsets you'll need to tailor to. Segmentation improves personalization and will build trust with your business. The goal is to guide customers to their first purchase, keep them active with you post-purchase, get them to come back and buy time and time again, and then turn them into advocates for your business so they can help you expand and grow. Remember the marketing funnel? Let's move on to talk about the benefits of lifecycle marketing. Lifecycle marketing builds a stronger relationship with customers through personalization. It improves LTV by focusing on repeat purchases from existing customers and improves ROI for top-of-funnel efforts as it works to continue to convert customers through the funnel with the outcome of repeat purchasing. Because it focuses both on people who convert and those who don't, you're more likely to reactivate a group of users that would normally churn. Lifecycle marketing is truly important for your brand and long-term strategy. Even if you can't get detailed, having lifecycle programs in place really improves the customer experience and drives loyalty with customers. I'll have more videos on lifecycle strategy in the next coming weeks. So remember to comment with any questions you may have and make sure to subscribe to my channel to learn more. Thank you so much for watching. Also, my Udemy course on integrated marketing is now live, so if you want to take it, you can enroll with a discount using the link I provided in the description of this course. See you guys next time.